Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix your Maytag Washer MVWX655DW1 if it won't start and the spin light is blinking. First, check if the control lock is enabled. Press and hold the control lock button for 3 to 5 seconds to disable it. A locked control panel can prevent the washer from starting. Next, make sure the washer door is fully closed. The washer won't start if the door latch isn't engaged properly. Listen for a click when closing the door. Check the water supply and make sure both hot and cold faucets are turned on. Low water pressure or closed valves can cause the washer to pause before starting. If the spin light continues blinking, reset the washer. Turn it off at the power source. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary control board glitches. Inspect the drain hose for clogs or kinks. A blocked drain can prevent the washer from starting or spinning properly. Clear any obstructions if needed. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the door latch or control board may be faulty and require professional repair or replacement. By following these steps, you can fix the Maytag MVWX655DW1 washer that won't start and stop the spin light from blinking. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.